It is with the greatest pleasure that the King and Queen announce the betrothal of their dearly beloved daughter, the Princess Elizabeth, to Lieutenant Philip Mountbatten, Royal Navy.
Into the dull November morning, two greys draw the Irish stagecoach.
I, Philip.
I, Philip.
Take thee, Elizabeth Alexandra Mary.
Take thee, Elizabeth Alexandra Mary.
To my wedded wife.
To my wedded wife.
Again and again the people called for Elizabeth and Philip. Again and again they joyfully responded.
Faith and truth I will bear unto you, to live and die against all manner of folk, so help me God.
And still Prince William, with his head hung, walking next to his grandfather.
He is someone who doesn't take easily to compliments, but he has quite simply been my strength and stay all these years.
I've just done what I think is my best. I can't suddenly change my whole way of doing things. I can't change my interests. I can't change the way in which I react to things. It's part of, that's somebody's style, and it's too bad. You've got to lump it.